Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Miele Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also replaced some of the components of the machine, starting with this brew valve that is located really inside the machine. Represents the entire thing, all these little pieces, apart from the brew valve itself. This one as well. Also replace the gasket of the brew unit, deep clean the shower screen, and deep clean everything inside as well. We descale this machine and just give it good service. Starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing out the entire system. We don't have milk here, but we have a milk cleaner substitute that we're still going to be able to see foaming. There you go. Liquid is being siphoned from here to there. As you can see, nice steady foam coming out of the machine. Working great. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine as well. Excellent color as you see coming out through the cup. Looking excellent. Looking great. So there you have it, Miele machine working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.